video. So in this video I will show you how to upload and read from Google Drive inside a native Android application. So first of all, I have created a native Android application. Next, what you have to do is you have to search for Google Developer Console on Google or any other web browser. Then just click on the first link, it would redirect you to Google Cloud. Next, first of all, you have to go to the Enable Credentials API and select Google Drive API. Next, you have to go to OAuth consent screen and click on external. Then you have to enter your app details over here. Next, you have to click on click create credential, click on API key, and you should generate your API key. Then you have to again come back to screen, click create credential, click OAuth client ID, and inside here you have to enter your details like your Android package name and SHA-1 certificate print. So I use this to generate my SHA-1 certificate, but please note that this is for debug APK. Once you do a release APK, you will again have to generate a SHA-1 and update your SHA-1 over here. So, okay, and given that so for API key you should see this something like this, like API key 1 and Android client 1. And given that we will be testing on the emulator or locally on our device, you have to go to your OAuth screen, click on add user and enter the user for which you will be testing it. I mean the email ID, otherwise this won't work. And this again is for because we have not published our app to Google Play Store. If once our app is published to Google Play Store and you have updated the SHA-1 key for the release mode, then everything should work and you won't have to add this test users. Okay, so here you can see I have just created two buttons. One is for upload and another is for read. So I will be uploading a text file and using the upload button and reading that text file again back to us. So first of all, what will happen is that we will create a folder, and inside that folder we will place our text file. Okay, so let's get started. Inside main active, so first of all you have to go to your build.gradle. So this build.gradle, and next what you have to do is you have to add this configurations as well as this packaging options, and then you have to add this all dependencies for Google client, and this is for Kotlin coroutines. Next, go to your Google Drive folder, and I have create this class called Google Drive folder, and these are things we will get from Google Drive file folder. I think there should be more, but for my use case I only require this, these all things. Next, so here you can define what all fields you want. So I want next page token and files ID comma name. Then access drive scope, it should be drive file. The scope email is email, and this is just a boolean to check whether the user is uploading a file or reading from a file. And you have to obviously create a Google sign-in client, because if it is if you are uploading the file for the first time, it will ask for Google sign-in. Then this text would be appended inside the text file, so you can change whatever you want to. Next, this is the upload button, this is the read button, and this will be the callback which we get once Google sign-in has been completed successfully. And once that is done, we are checking for Google permission. So user will have to give you the permission of what all things we can do on the app. So that's what this is. Then here we are creating a temporary file in internal storage. Okay, and here we are this another method to read data from that particular file. So here this is another method for uploading the file. So here you can see this is like boilerplate code which you have to write for uploading a file to Google Drive. And here we are creating a file inside internal storage, and you will have to create a file for it. That's what I am doing. And next, you have to create a file output stream and write whatever text you have to that file output stream. Next, this is for downloading the file. So again, this is a boilerplate code which I have taken from Stack Overflow. Next is listing the drive files. So here we want the text MIME type, right? So I am only passing it that way, but if you want this is for image as well, and this is for image and text file, so you can do something like this. Next, inside on create, I am just initializing our button, and inside on click listener I am setting the boolean value. And for upload button, I am first signing in the user. If the user is already signed in, then he won't need to sign in again and again. So this is only one time setup. and it gives a callback to the launcher which we have seen earlier. Okay, and this is for drive setup. Again, like I have copy pasted this code from Stack Overflow, but basically if you are reading the file, it will find our file. Okay, so this is our file, and if it file is not empty, we will get the text content from the file. So that's what I'm doing, and here I'm just printing it to the console inside a toast message. Okay, similarly for uploading as well. So this is boilerplate code, and once we get the file, we will just call upload file and pass the text as well. And once it is uploaded, I'm sending a toast message as well. And this is the boilerplate again method for creating a folder. Again, I have copy pasted this from Stack Overflow as well. And this is a companion object for how our what should be our file name and all that stuff. So you can change it to whatever you want. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.